Welcome! In front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail e-Power. In this video I'll show you all comfort features of this car. Thanks to this video you will learn how to manage your seats, climate control, manage settings on the instrument cluster like locking, lights, wipers and more. Also I will show you fun and interesting things about this car. Follow me. Ok, to już mamy wstęp i teraz outro. Additionally, in the Nissan X-Trail e-Power you can find rear row climate control. Take a look at the center of the rear row. Right there you can find seat heating for the rear seats, 2 USB-C ports for charging and also climate control panel, thanks to which you can change rear row climate control temperature. And while we are here, I will also show you how to activate rear blinds, because rear windows are equipped with the blinds, thanks to which your kids will be protected from the sun. Before we enter the car, one of the most useful comfort features is easy access, thanks to which, if you've got your key fob nearby and you pull your finger here, you will unlock and lock the car. In order to use it, make sure that the easy access is enabled in the car's system. Nissan X-Trail from 2025 e-Power is equipped with plenty of comfort features that you can find, adjust and manage from interior of the car. Let's start from the left side and approach the right side of the car, because comfort features are basically everywhere here. So let's begin with the driver's doors. Driver's doors have this panel, thanks to which you can save seat position in 2 levels. The save panel is located on the passenger doors. Firstly, adjust the seat. The panel of seat adjustment is located right here under the seat. Then select Set and select Preset 1 or Preset 2. And position is saved. Next, below we've got the panel thanks to which we can fold mirrors electrically and adjust them. Behind the panel on the left side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate head-up display that is located straight behind the steering wheel, and we can open and close the tailgate remotely from the inside of the car. This button activates steering assist. Now let's take a look at the steering wheel. On the steering wheel we can manage radio, we can access settings, and we can enable ProPILOT, speed limiter, we can adjust distance from the following car, we can enable Nissan Assistant. The Nissan Assistant can be also switched to Alexa. And behind the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable automatic wipers, because this car is equipped with them. And on the left side we can enable auto lights and automatic high beam assistant. Now take a look at the instrument cluster. Right here we can also manage multiple things. Apart from the safety systems, take a look at the all comfort systems. Firstly, we can find here navigation panel, music panel, tire pressure, trip computer, and in the settings we can find power backdoor enabler, lighting settings like welcome light, auto room light and mood lighting, turn indicator switch, we can adjust locking, wipers and driving position settings, and in the end we can change mirror auto fold. Now let's take a look in the center of the car. The car is equipped with 5 driving modes: off-road, snow, standard, eco and sport, and also hill descent control. Above you can find auto hold function and electric parking brake. Auto hold function helps you in the traffic. If this function is enabled, you don't have to press brake on the stop. We've got ECTV transmission with B mode. The B mode helps you regenerate electricity. We've got automatic parking, e-pedal and EV mode. E-pedal is a special function thanks to which you can use only accelerator pedal to drive. It works like this. When the e-pedal function is enabled, the regenerative force of the car is very high. So when you lift off your foot from the accelerator pedal, the car will brake with the engine to regenerate electricity. Thanks to EV mode, you can simply enable only EV mode. Because this car is e-power, it means that it uses the fuel engine to generate electricity for the electric engine. Let's go here. Above these panels, we've got the wireless charging tray, power outlet, USB-A, USB-C port, and start-stop function. Now, take a look at the airflow power. The climate control panel has seat heating, windshield defroster, max front windshield blowing, and rear windshield heating. Here we can also find steering wheel heating, and we can also adjust airflow temperature for rear row of the seat. The rear row of the seat also has seat heating that you can enable by pressing buttons located at the end of the center console. And last but not least, let's take a look at the screen display. Screen display is equipped with multiple cameras. Unfortunately, we don't have 360 camera in this car. We've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay that are wireless. We've got inbuilt navigation and Nissan connected services. Thanks to Nissan connected services, you can check traffic info online, weather online where you are. You can download services app and manage them. You can use Alexa and more. Now, let's take a look at the key fob. Thanks to the key fob, you can remotely open and close the trunk. Nissan X-Trail is also equipped with sunroof that opens separately with the sunroof curtain. And this will be it for this video. Let me know in the comments if any of these comfort features were applicable for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.